Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send pictures on Gmail on Android phone. So first of all, make sure you will have Android phone. After here, just download the Gmail app from the Play Store. Just tap on it and make sure you will have logged in. After, as you can see, the right bottom corner option is the compose. Just tap on it. So from here right now you will be just type the email wherever you want to send the pictures. After, you will see the top is the attached icon. Just tap on it, and as you can just select it from the photos or the camera, files or drive. So if I just selected the photos, so any of photo you will be just tap on it attached. Once done, and from here just send it. So in this way you will just have to send pictures on Gmail on Android phone. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.